Yes. You know, when I take my seat, it's about investment and businesses. The last time I took my time to speak to you about the Ghanaian stock market. This time around, I'm going to talk to you about the US stock market and how you can purchase US stocks. And it will be very interesting. I believe you liked our previous video and you shared as well. The name again is Mankey. And when I sit, I speak about money. Yes, so on the US stocks, there are a lot of applications that through it you can purchase the US stock. You know, the US stock market is the biggest stock market. And when I'm talking about US stocks, I'm talking about stocks outside Ghana. It doesn't necessarily mean that all the companies that are talking about or are listed on the US stock market, what I call the US stock market, are based in the US. They could be in different countries. However, they are listed on the external stock markets, which I will be calling US stock markets in this video. So let's get straight to work. The US stock market is a very big market, just as I told you earlier. And on this, I am going to share with you two good applications that I have been using. It doesn't mean that they are the only apps that you can use them to purchase the US stocks. One of the apps is the Plus app. Now on the Plus app, you will get opportunity to invest into the US stocks. First of all, you would have to download the app, then set the app up and fill your KYC and all other needed information. Once again, do not forget that the GPS address that will be required to use would be exactly as or close to the area, in proximity of the area where you stay. And when you are done, your CSD account or your account can be approved that very day or that instant. I did mine, and that very day, that very moment, it was approved for me, and I began purchasing US stocks. Once you get it approved on the app, you can get mutual funds on it. The IC Liquidity Fund is listed there. EcoBank also has a mutual fund that is listed there, and other mutual funds that are listed there. So you can get opportunity to buy treasury bills on the Plus app. That is Ghanaian treasury bills. And on the other side of it is the US stock market, which you also get opportunity to trade in the US stock market, purchasing ETFs and general stocks like Apple, Invader. You can get Disney, you can get Walmart, you can get Tesla, and every company that is listed on it. You can go to the app as you download it and fill your KYC. Then you select the stock and begin as once trading or purchasing the stocks. You'll be asked to create a portfolio before you can purchase any stocks. So you can name the portfolio on depending on the goal that you are setting. So let's say I'm looking forward to buy a house and I'm investing into stock. So my portfolio will be named My Future House. Then all the stocks that I'm going to buy, looking forward to get returns from it to build my house, I will keep them there. You can create as many as portfolios that you would want to keep on the Plus app. The Plus app is one of the best apps to buy US stocks. Now, the next app that I'm going to talk about is the Bamboo app. I think Bamboo has been there for so long. A lot of us have heard from it. We have been using it all the time. It's one of the best apps also to use to buy the US stock. You can log in and fill your KYCs, and at instant, it can be approved for you to start purchasing stocks. Once you get approved or your account gets approved, that very moment or that day, you can begin to purchase stocks. Stocks just as Apple, Tesla, Invader, and other stocks. And you can even get ETFs on the Bamboo app to purchase. The Bamboo app is so simple to use. The interface is very simple. The same as the Plus app. So these are the two apps that I'm going to talk about when it comes to the US stock market. Your technical analysis and other analysis can be done on the Wall Street that I talked about, Simple Wall Street app that I spoke about in my previous video. If you have gotten the app, you will know that it is the best app for technical analysis and other analysis that you would want to do on every stock that's before you buy. I would recommend that before you purchase any stock, you wouldn't look at the hype on the market, but you do your own research and go deeper into the stock, know the dividends that they pay, the performance of the stock, the people that are owning the stock. It will interest you that once you dive deeper in this your research, you will find out that the company itself is investing in the stock. I was so surprised to find out that companies like SNITS, Ghana National Teachers Association, and SIZ Enterprise, and all those companies invest in stocks. They invest our monies in their own stocks and other stocks. That is how they get the profits that they share with us. So you would want to do your own research before you purchase any stocks. And this is a brief and a short video that I came to do with you to show you how you can purchase US stocks. Once again, my name is Mankey, and this is the Builders Ecosystem. Anticipate more videos on investments.